Isabelle, I've had some really interesting conversations ahead of this Thursday about the Comey testimony. Are you interested in it? Yes, absolutely. Is it significant to markets? That's where I see a real division. Where do you sit on that?
Well, focusing strictly on the market implication, I think the question is how big and how long of a distraction is it going to be from pressing forward the pro-growth and pro-reform agenda of the White House. If it's a small distraction, then I think you're going to see bond markets and possibly stock markets react and regain some optimism and seeing a bit higher growth expectations. If it drags on and serious stuff is unveiled, then people will get more gloomy.
Shahab Jalinoos, what does it say about the DC agenda around fiscal policy, around deregulation, the things that the market wants, that many market participants will watch a 2-3 hour testimony to try and gauge somehow as to when that's actually going to come?
Well, that's right. As you know, for most of this year, for example, the dollar has been weakening against all major currencies, most emerging markets as well, due to the disappointment at the rate of change, at the pace of these reforms coming through. In fact, there's very little at the moment on the table. So we definitely need to get past this. You know, as you know, this idea of a cloud hanging over the president is out there right now. We need to get past this to give the market the opportunity to look again in more detail at those issues rather than being obsessed with politics. In the absence of that, I think the dollar is still going to struggle.